Good afternoon, students. I hope you all are good and you can say fit at home. Okay, in last classes we covered the cell chapter and some topics of cell chapter, like firstly definition of cell. What is cell? Cell is the basic fundamental unit of life, or you can say all living organisms are made up of small tiny particles that we call cells. Now, after that we discussed about the types of cellular organisms like unicellular organism, multicellular organism. Uni meaning that are made up of single cell, multi meaning that are made up of many cells. Okay. After that we talk about the different shapes of cells like spindle shape, branch shape, or you can say round, the various types of cells and a number of different cells and the number of different cells. And after that we discuss about the detailed study of the plant cell. Okay, after that we discuss about the detailed study of the plant cell, and we discussed about the detailed structure of the plant cell. In plant cell we discussed plasma membrane. In plant cell we discuss plasma membrane, composition of plasma membrane, or cell wall that is present only in plant cells. And after that we discuss about the chloroplast, mitochondria, nucleus, structure of nucleus, vacuoles, number of vacuoles, size of vacuole. These all things we studied in the plant cell. And in last class we discussed about the structure of animal cell. Okay. Animal cell meaning plasma membrane, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, so many ribosomes, lysosomes. We discuss about all the cell organelles in animal cell and the functions of various cell organelles. Okay. Today I am going to compare the plant cell and animal cell. Today I am going to compare the plant cell and animal cell. I all know about the plant cell and animal cell. But the basic difference between the structure of plant cell and animal cell? If you have to draw the plant cell and animal cell, what are the basic differences between the plant cell and animal cell? Firstly, the cell wall. First difference क्या है? साथ में एक साइड पे मैं लिख रही हूँ cell wall. No, cell wall is present only in the plant cells. Cell wall is absent in case of animal cell. Okay, the second difference. Second is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is present in both the cells, so there is no difference. The third thing, mitochondria. The mitochondria is also present in both the cells. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It present in the animal cell as well as it present in the plant cell. Meaning it present in both the cells, so no difference in mitochondria. Okay, in case of nucleus, there is a small difference in case of nucleus. If we see the picture clearly, in plant cell nucleus present toward the plasma membrane. In plant cell nucleus present toward the plasma membrane, but in case of animal cell nucleus present totally in the center of the cell. Because nucleus is present in both the cells, but the difference is only in the location of the nucleus. The difference is only in the location of nucleus. ठीक है, location of nucleus meaning where nucleus present. In case of plant cell, the nucleus is present in plant cell towards the plasma membrane, but in case of animal cell, the nucleus present in the center. Okay, Raze? So the next difference is in the location of the nucleus. The location already explained. In case of animal cell, nucleus is present in the center of cell, but in case of plant cell, nucleus is present towards the plasma membrane. Okay, three differences हो गए. First हमने cell wall, sorry, two difference हो गए. First cell wall क्या था, second क्या है, location of nucleus. अभी तक two difference मिले हैं हमने. Second क्या मिला है, location of nucleus. The third difference, chloroplast. Chloroplast is a type of plastids. You know what are the plastids? Plastids are the cell organelles. Plastids are the cell organelles that scattered only in the plant cell. And what are the functions of plastids? Plastids are of three types. One is chromoplast, second one is chloroplast, and the third one is leucoplast. If we talk about chloroplast, chloroplast is the green colored pigment. Contains chlorophyll, meaning क्लोरोप्लास्ट हमारे पास क्या है, इट कंटेन्स क्लोरोफिल और यू कैन से क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज द किचन ऑफ द सेल, मीनिंग प्लांट्स फॉर्म देयर फूड और मैन्युफैक्चर देयर फूड इन द क्लोरोप्लास्ट. ओके राजे, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट क्रोमोप्लास्ट है ना, क्रोमोप्लास्ट इज कलरफुल पिगमेंट. राजे व्हाट इज कलरफुल पिगमेंट? Colorful pigment meaning that provide various colors, various colors like for flowers pink, bright red, violet, too many colors for flowers, and you can say vegetables, fruits, they provide various types of colors. So chromoplast is a colorful pigment. Okay, then next is leucoplast only helps in the storage of the food. Okay राजे, now the chloroplast or you can say plastids, either तो आप plastids कह लो, either तो आप chloroplast कह लो, it present only in the plant cells. Plastids or chloroplasts are present only in the plant cells, they are absent in case of animal cells. देखिए 3 डिफरेंस हो गए. अगर नेक्स्ट चलें तो राजे vacuole, and the next word is vacuole. Vacuole present in both plant cell and animal cell, but there is a little bit difference in the vacuole. In case of plant cell, vacuole is present in the large size but less in number. In case of plant cell, vacuole present is in large size but less in number. But in case of animal cell, vacuoles are present in more number but small in size. Vacuoles are present in more number but small in size, like 1 vacuole, 2 vacuole, 3, 4, but just small size. In case of plant cell, vacuole is of large size. देखिए हमारे पास कितने डिफरेंसेस हो गए, 4 डिफरेंसेस हो गए. तो नेक्स्ट हम चलते हैं जैसे the food in plants is always stored as a form of starch. The food stored in plants is always in the form of starch. जो plants में food store होता है that is in form of starch. But जो food animals में store होता है, the food that stored in the animals is in form of glycogen. Okay Raze, the next is the lysosomes only present. Raze, what are the lysosomes? Lysosomes are the suicide bags of the cell. अब कुछ बच्चे कंफ्यूज होंगे कि मैम किसी को पावर हाउस बोल रहे थे, ठीक है हमें समझ में आ गया, एक को मैम ने बोला कि जे किचन है सेल का, हमें समझ में आ गया, लेकिन जे सुसाइड का क्या मीनिंग है? जे सुसाइड मीनिंग खुद को मार लेना, ठीक है, अपने आप को. तो लाइसोसोम के केस में ऐसा होता है, जो लाइसोसोम होते हैं जो जिस सेल में प्रेजेंट होते हैं ना, दे सेक्रीट डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स to digest the waste material. Okay, but in some cases if any part of the plant get damaged, मान लो जिस सेल में से रह रहे हैं, if any part of that cell get damaged, they digest its own cell, meaning वो अपने सेल को भी डाइजेस्ट करके क्या है, खा लेते हैं. अगर कई बार उनके सेल जिस सेल में वो रह रहे हैं, उस सेल में से किसी पार्ट की कोई इंजरी हो जाती है, तो वे उसी पार्ट को क्या है, डाइजेस्ट कर लेते हैं, क्या है, ईट कर लेते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई दे एक्ट एज अ सुसाइड बैग्स, मीनिंग खुद के घर को ही खा रहे हैं. ओके राजे, लाइसोसोम्स आर प्रेजेंट ओनली इन द एनिमल सेल, दे आर एब्सेंट इन केस ऑफ प्लांट सेल्स. ओके, लाइसोसोम्स आर ओनली प्रेजेंट इन द animal cell, they are absent in case of the plant cell. Okay Razi, next centrosomes. Now Razi, what are the centrosomes? Centrosome क्या है, वैसे हम 9th में ज़्यादा डिटेल में करेंगे. तो जो centrosome होते हैं, जो न्यूक्लियस के ऊपर आपको एक क्या ऐसी स्पिंडल शेप में मिलेंगे, that help in the cell division. सेंट्रोसोम फर्दर किस में हेल्प करते हैं, सेल डिवीजन में. जैसे 1 सेल से 2 सेल्स फॉर्म हो गए, फर्दर द डिवीजन दैट दे कैरी. मीन सेंट्रोसोम प्रेजेंट ओनली इन द एनिमल सेल, दे आर एब्सेंट इन केस ऑफ प्लांट सेल. ओके, दीज आर द बेसिक डिफरेंसेस. द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड इज very clear slide, you can easily understand the difference of plant and animal cell. Okay, I am going to zoom it a little bit. हाँ जी, ओके राजा, इट इज कंपैरिजन ऑफ प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल. पहले क्या है, पहले जो आपकी लाइन है उसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है, सीरियल नंबर लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है. सेकंड में क्या लिखा हुआ है, कौन सा पार्ट. थर्ड पे क्या कॉलम आ गया, प्लांट सेल और यू कैन से एनिमल सेल. ओके, थर्ड पे क्या आ गया, प्लांट सेल और यू कैन से एनिमल सेल. अब पहले में नंबर 1 क्या है, सेल मेम्ब्रेन. सेल मेम्ब्रेन दोनों में क्या है, present, it is present in the plant cell and also present in the animal cell. नेक्स्ट आपके पास क्या आ जाता है सेल वॉल रजे, इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द प्लांट सेल बट इट इज एब्सेंट इन द एनिमल सेल. ओके, न्यूक्लियस आ जाता है, न्यूक्लियस बोथ प्रेजेंट इन बोथ बट लोकेशन इज डिफरेंट. In plant cell, nucleus is present towards the plasma membrane, but in case of animal cell, it present in the center. Nuclear membrane present in the both. Cytoplasma दोनों में present है. Plastids present only in the plant cell. They are absent in case of animal cell. Vacuoles present in both, but in small size in case of animal cell, but large in size in case of plant cell. Okay, this is all about the plant and animal cell. Now that this chapter is completed. Okay, if you still face any problem in this chapter, you can call me or you can message me anytime. Okay, now rather the homework for today, I will send you the PDF of questions of this chapter. You have to do that question only on your rough notebook. Firstly, you have to do that questions only on your rough notebook. In next class, we will discuss about the answers, and after that, you will do that homework on your field notebook. Today is only for the rough notebook. Okay, Raze, thank you so much. Hope so you all understand it. If still you face any problem, you can talk to me anytime. Okay, Ji, thank you.